Hello there, and welcome. What I'm about to share with you might just change the way you think about yourself, your world, and the life you're creating. You see, the way we speak to ourselves is crucial. In fact, it's more important than we realize. We all have inner conversations going on in our minds throughout the day. These conversations, whether they are positive or negative, shape our reality. We speak to ourselves constantly, often without even realizing it. But what if you could take control of these inner dialogues and use them to your advantage? What if I told you that by simply changing the way you talk to yourself for just 3 days, you could begin to shift your entire experience of life? It sounds simple, but it's incredibly powerful. The words you say to yourself are not just thoughts, they are the seeds you plant in your mind. And what you plant, you will harvest. The key is to speak to yourself with intention, with belief, and with love. So often, we speak to ourselves in a way we would never speak to a friend. We criticize ourselves, judge ourselves, and let negative thoughts dictate our lives. But this can change. It doesn't have to be this way. For just 3 days, begin to shift how you speak to yourself, and you will start to see a noticeable difference. Start by choosing words of affirmation. Affirmations are simple statements that help reprogram your mind to believe in your potential. Begin your day by telling yourself, I am worthy of love and success. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. These words may feel strange at first, especially if you're used to self-criticism. But repetition is key. The more you affirm these positive statements, the more you will believe them, and the more they will begin to shape your reality. For just 3 days, make a conscious effort to only speak to yourself in a positive and loving way. Even when challenges arise, remind yourself that you are capable of overcoming them. Instead of focusing on your limitations, focus on your strengths. Instead of dwelling on what's going wrong, turn your attention to what's going right. It's important to remember that the words you use are powerful. They hold the energy to shape your world. For example, instead of saying, I'm not good enough, say, I am always learning and growing. Instead of thinking, I can't do this, think, I am fully capable of accomplishing this task. This shift in language can seem small, but its effects are profound. It's not just about speaking positively, though. It's about truly believing what you're saying. Your words must align with your feelings. When you say, I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer, feel that truth in your heart. Imagine it, see it, and believe it. Your words have the power to create new realities, but they must be backed by belief. During these 3 days, it's also important to be aware of any negative thoughts that arise. Don't judge yourself for having them, just notice them. When a negative thought comes up, don't give it power. Gently replace it with something positive. For example, if you think, I'll never be able to do this, replace it with, I am capable, and I can learn what I need to succeed. Over time, this practice of consciously redirecting your thoughts will become second nature. Another powerful tool to use during these 3 days is visualization. After affirming your positive statements, take a few moments to close your eyes and imagine yourself living the life you desire. See yourself succeeding, feeling happy, and being at peace. Visualize your dreams coming true. Feel the emotions that come with these visualizations as if they are already happening. This simple practice of speaking kindly to yourself and visualizing your desires will begin to create a shift in your mind and in your life. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. When you imagine yourself achieving your goals, your mind starts to believe that it's already happening. And as a result, you start to act in alignment with those beliefs. Now, let me be clear, this isn't about simply repeating words without meaning. It's about truly connecting to the power of your own thoughts. It's about recognizing that you have the ability to influence your reality with your words and your beliefs. For these 3 days, take a moment to reflect on how you speak to yourself. Pay attention to any moments when you are being self-critical or negative. Remind yourself that you have the power to change this narrative. You are the author of your own story, and you have the power to write it the way you want it to unfold. It's also important to remember that change takes time. 3 days is a great starting point, but the work doesn't stop there. After these 3 days, continue to speak to yourself with love, with kindness, and with belief. Make this a habit. Over time, you will notice a dramatic shift in how you feel about yourself, how you interact with the world, and how you approach your goals. Think about it this way: every time you speak kindly to yourself, you are building a stronger, more positive foundation. Each loving word you speak is a brick in the house of your dreams. And with each passing day, that house grows stronger, more resilient, and more beautiful. So, for the next 3 days, take this challenge seriously. Speak to yourself as though you are already the person you want to be. Talk to yourself with confidence, with love, and with unwavering belief in your abilities. In the process, you will begin to see changes. Your self-esteem will rise. Your confidence will grow. You will start to believe in your own power, and that belief will fuel your actions. You will begin to attract the things you desire, simply because you have aligned your thoughts with your true potential. And as you continue this practice beyond the 3 days, you'll find that it becomes easier. Your positive self-talk will become second nature. You will begin to see the world through a new lens, one that is filled with possibility and hope. Remember, the way you speak to yourself is the foundation of your reality. You have the power to create a life filled with abundance, love, and success, simply by choosing the right words. What I want you to realize is that this isn't just about speaking kind words to yourself for a few days, it's about developing a new mindset, a fresh approach to how you view yourself and your capabilities. The process may seem simple at first glance, but it is a powerful tool that can fundamentally alter your relationship with yourself. When you start to speak positively, it's crucial not just to focus on the words, but also on the belief behind them. Speaking positively means that you're giving yourself permission to step into a new identity. It's not about pretending to be something you're not, but rather acknowledging that within you lies potential that is often untapped, waiting to be expressed. By consistently affirming your worth, you are allowing that potential to surface and guide you toward your goals. You must understand that your self-talk isn't just a mental exercise, it's an energetic exchange. Your thoughts create vibrations that resonate with the world around you. So, when you affirm your worth and potential, you're sending out a frequency that aligns with success, growth, and fulfillment. This is why it's so important to speak to yourself with kindness. Negative thoughts and self-criticism can lower your frequency, which in turn may attract more of what you don't want. On the other hand, positive, empowering thoughts elevate your vibration and attract the opportunities and experiences that match your elevated state of being. A simple practice, when done regularly, can alter the course of your day. Imagine waking up every morning and affirming that you are worthy of greatness, that you have everything you need to succeed. Imagine carrying this belief with you throughout the day, as you face challenges and pursue your goals. By doing this, you'll find that opportunities open up in ways you hadn't anticipated before. This shift in mindset will start to show up not just in your thoughts but in your actions. Another powerful aspect of this practice is consistency. It's not enough to say positive things once or twice and expect instant results. The key is repetition. The more you speak to yourself with love and belief, the more your mind starts to accept it as truth. Over time, this new belief system becomes your default way of thinking, and the transformation becomes permanent. The beauty of this practice is that it doesn't require perfection. You don't have to be flawless in how you speak to yourself, the effort and intention are what matter. So take this opportunity to start speaking to yourself like the incredible person you are. For just 3 days, give yourself the gift of kind, loving, and empowering words. And watch as your world begins to shift in ways you never imagined. I encourage you to continue this practice, not just for 3 days, but for as long as you can. The more you reinforce these positive affirmations, the more your reality will transform. So speak kindly, believe in your potential, and watch as your life unfolds in miraculous ways. You are capable. You are worthy. You are enough. And with these words, you can create the life you've always dreamed of. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content that can positively impact your life. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more insightful content like this. If you're ready to continue your personal growth journey, join our growing community by subscribing today and share this video with someone who might benefit from it.